Oh, sure, we've got A's and B's just like you. But we might have a few extra ones, too. Now, A is for apple, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those.
Did it?
A bodacious blue bubble. And Bumblebee's buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Big Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with D? Like Data or David or Dingus
We're waving at
McGee?
people.
E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun.
F is for
G
friends.
is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat.
It's gonna go through the
That's
whole
right,
alphabet, isn't it?
Hat on the cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray!
Hip hip hooray!
We could do that all day.
Hip hip
I is
hooray!
for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the new Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kerchoo lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite.
Throw you in that water.
North and south going Zaxes. Stubbornly stopped, unbudged in their tracksuits.
Yeah, we ready for
P is
that?
for perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a
Where you
snitch.
get-
Now back to G.
Where you get all those screens out that you do at
Green
home,
eggs
all at
and
once.
green ham. I really like them. I do, Sam, I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown with S and a T. Uncle Ob's umbrella is a triple for
Dave,
you.
Dave.
And he just might throw in his underwear, too. V is for the visitors here on vacation, here to see us from many great nations. W is for why does this ride have to end? We wish to ride more, so please tell us when. And now X, Y, Z, where the rhyming gets tough. Z is for zero, for the chance we won't say that our ride through Seuss Landing was the best of the day. And so, we'll just finish up now with Zooray!
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the trolley until you're asked to disembark. Please push down on your lap bar and then pull up.